In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline a picture in Affinity Designer. Outlining a picture is a quick way to make it pop, separate it from busy backgrounds, or create a polished thumbnail. We'll walk through the exact settings you need, and I'll share a few practical tips so you can dial in a clean, consistent border every time. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app. Once you're in and your canvas is visible, make sure the image you want to outline is on the page so you can see the changes as you make them. Click on the picture to select it. You should see a bounding box and in the Layers panel, the corresponding layer highlighted. If you don't see the highlight, try clicking directly on the image again, not the background. Selecting the right layer ensures the effect applies to the picture, not another object. Look to the right side of the interface for the Layers panel. There, click the Layer Effects button, often shown as a small FX icon. This opens the Layer Effects dialog, which is where you'll control the outline. In the Layer Effects dialog, enable Outline. Toggle it on, and you'll immediately see a border appear around the selected image. Turning the effect on first gives you instant visual feedback as you adjust. Adjust the radius slider to set the thickness of the outline. Think of radius as the outline's weight. Lower values are subtle, higher values are bold. Start small and increase slowly while zoomed in so edges stay crisp. If you are working with a high-resolution image, water image, expect to use a larger radius number to see a similar visual thickness. Now choose your color. Click the color swatch within the outline settings and pick a hue that contrasts with your background. White or black is great for clarity, while brand colors can add personality. If you're matching something already on your canvas, use the color picker in that panel to sample it. Aim for strong contrast so the outline does its job without overpowering the picture. That's it. You went into Affinity Designer, selected the picture, opened Layer Effects, enabled Outline, adjusted the radius, and chose a color. The effect remains editable, so you can come back anytime to tweak thickness or swap colors. With these settings, you can quickly create clean, consistent outlines that make your images stand out.